Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Felzi. If you're seeing this face for the first time, please subscribe. Yes, I know it's been ages. It's been a long while I made a video, but anyway, I'm just trying to bridge that by uploading this. See, right now I don't know how to film anymore. I don't know how to edit. I'm just going to tell you that I want to learn everything over again. Forgive me, yes, I know. But I took a very long break, and coming back to the YouTube group, the YouTube family, the YouTube social media platform is just a whole new thing for me. Anyway, on this day I decided to do some cleanup. It is not easy to clean up and film. People that are doing it are trying, really, because you just have to keep moving your camera, moving this, moving that. Anyway, I went ahead, fixed my bed, um, cleaned my dressing mirror, removed the clothes that I washed from the chair, yeah, from the couch. It's been there for like 2 days, and I'm like, ha, if I don't remove it today, it will stay there for 1 week. Like, who even does that? I don't know, Sha. But sometimes laziness just get the better of me, and you know. Anyway, I finally removed it and decided to clean the whole house, swept it and mop it. I probably didn't show some parts because I didn't even know where the angle of the camera was facing. And I went straight to the kitchen because I know my family will be hungry. See, you see this yam porridge. You see this yam porridge that I want to make. In fact, just enjoy it the way you see it. Watch it the way you can. If you can't watch it, you can skip it. But if you can watch it to the end, I will be so grateful. So let me just say something. I noticed, like, someone just told me recently that there are some people that sleeps at night with jean on, like wearing a jean, maybe skinny jean. No, for real, for real. Like, who does that? Why would you sleep and wear jean? Why will you sleep wearing a jean? Because I can't. Sometimes wearing nightwear can even trouble me from turning when I want to turn. I just feel so suffocated and too tight. The least I would just do is stay naked on my bed, use a bed sheet and cover myself. Then hearing that people sleep wearing jeans, not even jean shorts, proper long jean trousers. Man, they deserve an award. I can't do it. I can't even go on a long journey wearing a jean. Not to talk of to sleep for hours wearing a jean. No, I will be super uncomfortable. Anyway, guys, I went ahead and peeled the yam, washed it, and turned on the gas cooker and started cooking. This food was really yummy, girl. Just take it the way it is. This is what you cook when you have a very large family. Yeah, you prepare sweet meals, make sure things are good, but on some days where you just want to manage things that you have in the house, you just have to make do with what you have. Yes. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. I've been talking. I just hope this video was entertaining enough or informative enough. So I also added some ugu and plantain. Yeah, plantain for sweetness, ugu for just that's how we cook it. Sha. The ugu makes it fine, the plantain makes it sweet. Just if you're not adding any meat or anything, but make sure to add all your ingredients. If you don't know how to cook it, go and Google it. In fact, search here on YouTube how to make porridge. I'm not here to teach you how to make porridge. I'm just showing you guys that this is what we had on the day I did all my cleanup and decided to on my camera again to film. You know, that's just it. And I just realized that people that do this work, this filming, either creating on YouTube or any other platform, mostly filming a long content video, they are trying because it takes a lot. You will be conscious of the camera, you'll be conscious of the environment. You try to make sure that everywhere is looking clean, everywhere is looking okay before you put on the camera so you don't get judged by people, and you still want to try and maybe put meat or fish in your food even when you don't have it. Me, I don't have all you can see is me adding spice and then add my crayfish, add my maggi and salt. That's all you will see me do. Then they probably put my vegetable and eat my food. I will not come here and pretend like I have it all when I don't. On days where there's chicken, there's meat, you will see it. On days where there is no chicken, there is no meat, you will still see it like that. I don't have the power to come and be pretending to you guys. Anyway, I've covered the pot for it to cook for a bit before I serve. While it's cooking, I went ahead and poured my baby's clothes in the washing machine to wash, so that I'll prepare myself to go and hang it out. I raise it and go and hang it out. This is not fully automatic, so you have to do some work while the machine will do some work. Anyway, guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this short vlog. I hope I'm welcome back to the YouTube family. I hope I am welcome. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.